Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to show you guys this 3-piece set laptop bag. It's perfect for work, stylish and affordable. So come along with me as I show you all of its components. So you guys already know, once I got my new laptop, I had to get a new laptop bag to go along with it. And I came across this one that has such a beautiful design and a great amount of space within it. They really packed this bag really well. At first, I was a bit worried about the indents on the bag, but as you can see in my other pictures, somehow it does end up going away over time. So don't be worried about that because it definitely goes away in the front and in the back. Here's a full look of the front and back of the bag. I love how long the handles are, and now I'm going to show you guys the inside and the outside compartments. There is a pocket on the outside, and there's a USB port that you can use to charge your phone. You basically would take the cord in the inside of the bag and put the cord inside of one of your portable chargers and then charge your phone that way. So now we're finally going into the inside of the bag, and I just pulled out the makeup purse. There's a cute little makeup pouch inside, and it comes with a strap for your wrist, and then within the inside of that was a little change purse that you can either use for change or your cords. I like to put my iPhone charger in here, or any type of chargers that I need. Very spacious. I love the amount of space they give you within the makeup bag because I feel like it's a great multi-purpose bag. You can use it for makeup, you can use it on a girl's night out where you really don't want to have to hold anything, but you want to have a little pouch with you. That's perfect for that as well. Of course, they have the strap for the actual bag itself and the loops on the side so that you can drop it on and go. So there's 3 main ways that you can carry this bag, either as a tote bag, a satchel, or as a crossbody. I don't want to forget to mention that this bag is waterproof and it can fit up to a 15.6-inch laptop in the inside of it. It has so many little compartments, and I believe that's what I love the most about this bag when I first saw it. I love anything that has a lot of pockets or a lot of different areas where I can organize my stuff but still have all my stuff, And with this bag, I just feel like it's so nice, and it's not heavy. It's nice and light too, no matter what you put in it. Even when I have my laptop and everything that I deem necessary in my bag, it's still not too heavy. It's still nice and lightweight on my shoulders. So I'm just going to show you guys how my computer fits inside the bag, along with the sleeve that I like to use. I have a laptop sleeve. I also did a video on that, so I'll make sure to include the link. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's a few videos of the front of it. You see the creases are gone and it just looks so beautiful. Like, I love it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend if you enjoyed it. See you guys in my next video.